In this video, we will discuss about difference between computer and calculator. A computer is a device used for solving and storing mathematical and other types of problems. A calculator is a device used for mathematical problems. Computer can store large amount of data. Calculator cannot store large amount of data. Computer screen can show images, videos, and numbers. Calculator screen shown only number. Computer has temporary and permanent memory. Calculator has a temporary memory. Computer can display more than one results at a time. Calculator can display only one results at a time. Computer has very large memory. Calculator has less memory. Computer can perform many operations like playing games, watching movies, sending messages, etc. Calculator can perform only mathematical operations like plus symbol, minus symbol, multiply, asterisk, etc. Computer is programmable. Calculator is not programmable. Computer can support graphics. Calculator cannot support graphics. Computer has a display screen called monitor that shows wide range of things such as the image and video. The screen of a calculator is much smaller and only displays numbers. Computer can support internet. Calculator cannot support internet. Computer always has a calculator. Calculator does not have features of a computer. Computer device is capable of executing various software. Calculator device is specifically for performing calculations. Computer can be used for general purpose. Calculator cannot be used for general purpose. Computer speed is very fast, it can perform lots of calculation in nanosecond. Calculator speed is slow as compared to computer. Computers are more complex and typically more expensive. Calculators are simpler and generally more affordable.